welcome back to our channel. It is Matt and Sonia DIYing in the kitchen today.
And I'm working on keto egg rolls.
Keto egg rolls. Okay, that's what's on today's menu. All right, we're gonna experiment with Matt today because creativity, even when it comes to food, is all about just experimenting, right? That's how like good things come to be. It's somebody who takes a chance. So anyway, I'm willing to take a chance on Matt's egg rolls because I don't think there's anything that Matt makes that doesn't come out really tasty. But today we're gonna focus on the egg roll part, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna work on using the rest of the chicken, right? And creating like bone broth and some other good stuff. So anyway, let's get started on those egg rolls. Are you ready?
So what I'm doing is I'm skinning a chicken. I got a chicken here, just your general chicken. But the part that everybody loves about the chicken, whether it's fried chicken or rotisserie chicken, everybody loves the skin. So why aren't we using the skin as a wrapper system? It can get crispy, it can get tasty, it can get all those things that we love about those carb-rich coatings. So this is something I haven't seen done yet. Correct me if I'm wrong, somebody else did it. I don't want to steal their thunder, but I think this is the first time for this one. So we're gonna do this. So I skinned the chicken. So what I'm gonna do is, for another recipe, I am going to separate this chicken breast. So I got the skin, I'm gonna use this, separate the chicken breast off, and then everything else is gonna go into a stock. And we're gonna talk about the difference between stocks and broths. So now we're gonna make our filling for the egg roll. We got some Napa cabbage, which
sure this looks like a dinosaur egg?
It might be a dinosaur egg. But Napa cabbage, carrot, and then an onion, right? So I'm not gonna put any chicken in it just because I'm gonna do chicken skin, so I'm gonna kind of do. Let me show you something real cool that I used to do at a restaurant when it comes to Napa and bok choy. So if you take this and you thin this out, if you take this and shave down these ribs a little bit, you can take it and you can do a roll right there like this, and then just stab it with a toothpick, and you have your own little self-contained cabbage roll. Chop this up. We can give it a rough chop, because remember, it's got to go inside of the thing. So what I like to do is I like to salt this to get it start breaking down a little bit, get that moisture out of there, and then take your carrot, and then I'm going to take an onion. You know what? Let's use up those green onions. Waste not, want not. So chopping this off here. So here's the deal. I am going to salt this liberally and put a little bit of oil on it. It's just extra olive oil. Just stir this up, like coat it, and then I'm going to put it on and give it and wilt it down. But I like covering everything before it goes in because I'm going to bring the heat up really quick on this, and I want the heat to distribute evenly. I'm going to put this on medium-high heat. Alright, so we're cooking this down. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's starting to melt down. You can add pork or chicken or whatever, or shrimp, whatever meat you would like into this as a filling. And it doesn't just have to be for egg rolls. This could be a really cool side dish for whatever you're doing. So I want some garlic in here because we like garlic, right, babe?
Mm-hmm, absolutely.
So I'm towards the end.
Vampire's away.
So I'm towards the end of it. It's wilting down. I don't want my garlic to burn or be bitter. So I'm just gonna throw in a little bit there. But if you put it towards the end, it's gonna keep your garlicky flavor without burning or browning and becoming ultra bitter and giving that kind of nasty, kind of bitter flavor throughout your mixture. Soy sauce. Just a little bit for flavor. Not a lot. I mean, that was probably like half a teaspoon, if that. It's just Kikkoman. I like the Kikkoman stuff. You can put any flavors. You can put Western flavors like sage and thyme into it, and make a vegetable stuffing for a chicken or something like that if you don't want the bread. So now it's done. Yeah. So this is the experimental run. I wrapped up the seasoning, coated it with egg, and hopefully we get a crispy, crunchy egg roll without it exploding or coming apart.
Should I stand like way back?
You probably want to stand a little bit back, but if this works, we'll show you the rest of it. If not, back to the drawing board. The idea, and it exploded. So first you don't see, try again. In my arrogance, I thought that I didn't account for all the moisture in the skin, and I thought that the egg would actually hold it together. I should have known better. I didn't listen to my own experience and common sense, if I have any. So we're going to do this again, and I'm going to try a little bit different this time. So what I'm going to do is wrap this bad boy up. We're going to have to secure it, right?
So you put your egg wash over it, you rolled it all up, and then you got some toothpicks.
I did. Now, let's hope this works, right? Because I'm going to stab this right here. So this is going to be a weak point right here, that little point right there. So what I'm going to try to do is, I don't have that much onion left, but I'm kind of try to help the cause by
putting the belt on it?
Putting the belt on it with the onion. I just took one of those green onion remnants.
Okay.
And I'm tying it off.
So we got green onions to help keep it together, and Matt's putting a few toothpicks right now to secure it, and hopefully
this works in handling a nuclear device. And I think we have liftoff. Woohoo! So as you can see, the onions performed well. Oh my.
So what would be some good sauces with this? I'm already thinking for the future.
Thai peanut sauce.
Forgot we had that. Yes. Go watch the vlog from the day before yesterday, right?
All you do with those onions is once they cook off, you just take them out there and
just take them out.
Just let them go. This is why I like using just oil in a pan rather than a deep fryer, because the oil, after experimenting with a lot of fat in the chicken, degrades the oil. A lot of people keep that oil, but this is when your oil can go bad in a hurry.
Look how good that looks.
That's an egg roll, isn't it?
Oh man, Matt, that looks so yummy.
I mean, your egg rolls looks like your egg roll, right?
And this is your sauce that you made.
This is the peanut sauce.
Right, Thai peanut sauce. If you want to know what's in the sauce, go back and what's in the sauce? Matt doesn't keep his sauce a secret. You can find it right here on the vlog.
Ooh. Keto egg rolls, and it looks like an egg roll, doesn't it?
Yes. So you can totally have carrots on keto. Carrots have, I'm trying to remember, how much did we do?
6 grams for one medium carrot.
You know, but just like, I'm doing lazy keto, people. So, but you know, moderation.
How much did I use? Maybe a teaspoon?
I know. Nothing
it wasn't
right.
even a...
Yes.
So a moment of truth.
All right. Ugh, I hate to even like dip into this because it's like, you work so hard. All right. All right. And this is the peanut sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I thought for a second the look on your face was like, should I spit this out? Does that scratch an itch? So anyway, so it works?
Oh my gosh, this is delicious. I can't remember the last time I had anything that tastes like Chinese food.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, with food allergies, not being able to eat at like Chinese restaurants anymore because of course everything being fried, you know, shrimp being in the fryer and stuff. Oh my goodness, this right here is positively amazing. Like, so yummy. Oh, I haven't even eaten this yet, but will you make them again?
I can do that.
The sauce is so good.
So one thing that you run into when you come up with a totally new idea you've never seen done before, I mean, it's one thing. I mean, I've seen stuffed skin, stuffed stomachs, different things like that. I mean, grew up with hog maw, But as far as trying to imitate an egg roll, I've never seen it done before. If it's been done, let me know. I will give the person 100% credit. We go in here like so.
All right, Matt's gonna try the other one. What do you think?
It's an egg roll.
Yeah, it's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yummy.
One thing I suggest if you make this,
yes,
eat it as soon as it comes out of the fryer.
Right, probably more crispy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, guys, this was a win. I'm happy you did this. This is so good. And especially when you just get tired of eating the same sort of thing. You want something, just something different. Well, guys, that was delicious. Now the countertop is cleaned off. Got to do some dishes. But it was worth it. Oh my goodness, I hope you guys try that recipe. I think you will be pleasantly surprised. So it is that time of the video that I like to holler out a winner's name, somebody who subscribed to my channel, liked my last vlog video, and left me a comment. And the winner is Leanne Morley. Yay, do your happy dance, girl. Lianne Morley, and she wrote 1 hour ago on my vlog that I did with Kate, where Kate gave me that beautiful holiday makeup tutorial, overall reveal, all that good stuff. If you missed it, you need to go back and watch it, okay? It's the one I uploaded yesterday. So Leanne says, Sonia and Kate, what an awesome tutorial. And Sonia, you looked even more gorgeous than usual. Well, thank you very much, Leanne. She says she's really enjoying Vlogmas with all the different subjects. Yep, you never know what you're gonna find here on our vlog. Yes, it will be the vlog that continues. We love to DIY decor, we love to DIY with food like we did today in the kitchen and just do life together. So thank you guys for all being here with us. So now as part of Vlogmas, I'm gonna put up one more gift today. Ooh, what could it be? So I talked to Matt and we've decided we're gonna put up a Junk Monkey Paint Company t-shirt, okay? You guys know around these parts that we are working on our very own line of aprons and shirts and lots of other stuff too. Just stay tuned for that. So the sizes that we have run from medium to extra large, so whether you keep the shirt for yourself or you gift it to somebody else, that is totally up to you. You guys know what you have to do. Subscribe, comment, and like this video for a chance to be entered, and then tune in to see if your name is announced. So in the case of today, Leanne Morley girl, you have 24 hours as of the timestamp of this video when it is published to YouTube to go ahead and email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com so you can collect on those winnings. Otherwise, if not done within 24 hours, poof, it turns into a pumpkin and disappears. So we are going to continue with the chicken. The chicken saga continues, and we're going to make a delicious chicken salad of some sort tomorrow. We'll see what Matt prepares for us, and we'll see what he puts on the menu, all right? Thank you guys for being here. See you then. Bye.
See you guys.